Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Ever had your ABS warning light pop up out of nowhere? Don't panic, it just means your anti-lock braking system detected a glitch. Your regular brakes still work, but you lose the anti-lock feature that helps prevent skidding. Sometimes dirt, or a bump, confuses the sensors, causing a temporary glitch. The good news? You can often reset the ABS system right on the roadside. No fancy tools needed. Let's jump in and get that ABS light sorted out. The first method is the battery reset. Think of it like rebooting your computer when it's acting up. This simple trick can often clear minor glitches in your car's electronics, including the ABS system, and it doesn't require any special skills. First, make sure you're parked safely on a flat surface, turn off the engine and set the parking brake firmly. Safety always comes first when working under the hood. Next, pop the hood and locate your car's battery. It's usually a rectangular box with two cables attached, one black, one red. Use a wrench to loosen and disconnect the negative, or black terminal. This step cuts power to your car's electrical system, allowing it to reset. Wait about 15 minutes. This gives the system enough time to fully power down and clear any lingering errors from the memory. While you're waiting, it's a good idea to check your brake fluid level. Low fluid can sometimes trigger warning lights, so top it up if needed. After the wait, reconnect the negative cable and tighten it securely. Make sure the connection is snug to avoid future issues. Now, start your car and keep an eye on the dashboard as the lights come on. Watch for the ABS light in particular. If the ABS light stays off after a few seconds, congratulations, you've successfully cleared the glitch and your system is back to normal. But if you don't have a wrench handy, don't worry. There's another method you can try that doesn't require any tools at all. Before you drive off, double-check that everything under the hood is secure and safe. It's always smart to be thorough. Next up, I'll show you how to reset your ABS light without any tools at all. Let's get started. No tools? Try the ignition and brake pedal reset, park safely and engage the parking brake, turn the car off, remove the key and wait a minute, put the key back in and turn it to the on position. Don't start the engine, press and hold the brake pedal. While holding the brake, start the engine. Keep your foot on the brake for a few seconds, then release. Check the dashboard. If the ABS light is off, you're good. If not, try the sequence once more. If the light stays on, the problem is more serious. Call for help. If it's off, let's do a quick safety check before hitting the road. Here's how. Nice work. You've made it through the reset process, and that's a big step toward getting your car back on the road. But before you drive off, let's make sure your brakes are working perfectly. Safety always comes first, so don't skip this step. With the engine running in the car in park, press down on the brake pedal a few times to check how it feels. The pedal should feel firm under your foot, not soft, spongy, or sinking to the floor. If it feels strange, don't risk it. If anything feels off or unsafe, don't drive. Call a tow truck or roadside assistance for help right away. If the brakes feel good, do a slow-speed brake test in a safe, open area like an empty parking lot. The car should stop smoothly and straight, without pulling to one side, grinding, or making any weird noises. If everything checks out, take a cautious test drive around your neighborhood, keeping your speed low at first. Listen carefully for any odd sounds, vibrations, or changes in how the car feels. Also, keep an eye on your dashboard for warning lights. If everything's normal and the ABS light stays off, you're good to go for now. Still, it's a smart idea to get your car checked by a professional mechanic soon, just to be sure. They can scan for trouble codes and make sure there's no hidden issue that could cause problems later. Stay safe, keep learning, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching and taking care of your car.